G'day guys, and I hope you're ready for some quick maths. Today we're going to be looking at how to find the highest common factor. So this is where you'll get two numbers and the question's going to ask you to find the highest common factor between them. And really this is just in the name, right? So the highest number between these two is what we're looking for, so the biggest one. Common means that it's in both of our answers and it's a factor. Okay, so we abbreviate it to HCF just because we're a little bit lazy, but the process is really similar to just finding the factors. So for example, we have to find the factors of 24 and 32. So 24's got factors of 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. So if we're going to list them, we want to list them in ascending order or smallest to biggest. So this is the complete list of factors for 24. Then I just have to do the exact same thing for 32. So it's got 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. If you are struggling to find factors quickly, please go back to the last video and have a watch through that one. So because we're looking for the highest common factor, okay, we are looking for the biggest number that's in both lists. And we can see that it's 8. I would always circle the number that's correct because it just helps you make sure that you haven't missed any of the top end ones, and it shows your teacher that you know what you're doing. To write a mathematical answer, because circling might not be enough to get the full marks, I like to write the HCF between 24 and 32. So instead of writing between, we can just throw it in brackets, is equal to 8. And that definitely shows you and your teacher that you're going to get full marks for that one. Okay? So the questions that could be asked, right, will look like how we wrote that answer. So in this second example, it's asking us to find the highest common factor between 12 and 8. It doesn't matter that the 12's bigger, right? We're just looking for in between these two numbers. So for 12, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And for 8, we've got 1, 2, 4, and 8. Very clearly, we can see that 4 is the biggest number that's in both of these lists. So that is our highest common factor between 12 and 8. So sometimes you'll get questions, right, where there is no highest common factor, okay? So in that situation, we just say that the answer is 1, right? And I know that sounds a little bit stupid that you're going through the whole process just to give that answer, but we'll see what happens here. So between 9 and 14, we've got 1, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So we just have to write 3 once and 9. And for 14, we've got 1, 2, 7, and 14. Right, so we can see pretty clearly that there's no common factor between them except for the 1, and that's fine. Okay, you can still circle those two and write the HCF between 9 and 14 is equal to 1. So for that one, we're saying there's no common factor, but because 1 multiplies into anything, that's our answer. I hope you guys found that helpful. Just a reminder that there are some free worksheets attached in the description below relating to this very topic. I also put up a PDF of the notes so you don't have to copy them from the video. If you do need any additional help, please don't be scared to send me an email. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel for some more quick math.